In a sunny sunflower field, a woman shines in her crochet jacket. But wait! The wind starts to play hide and seek with her jacket. She twirls around, and her jacket dances like a butterfly in the breeze. Suddenly, a curious butterfly lands on her jacket, joining the fun. With a smile, she knows her jacket is as special as the sunflowers around her. Have you ever seen a dress made of yarn? Let's meet Mia. Mia twirls and dances, showing off her beautiful crocheted dress. But wait! A sudden gust of wind tries to steal her hat away. Quick as a flash, Mia chases after her hat, laughing all the way. Finally, she catches her hat and strikes a pose, feeling like a star.